Yeah. Hi, Preeti. Can you hear
Hi,
me?
how are you? Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah. How are you?
I'm
I'm
good.
very,
How are
very fine.
you?
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you
Very
very
good.
clearly.
Give me a moment. Let me check something is wrong. Okay, that's very fine. Okay, that's very good. So how is everything today?
It's good.
Uh, okay, that's very good. How was your trading today?
I actually did not trade today. Firstly, there was no setup for me,
Oh,
and I was at a shoot, so I just avoided it.
okay, that's very good. What you have
Also,
very good,
like my
very good.
body was
Because
very
I
tired from yesterday's gym, so I actually
oh, that's
took
very
a
good. We are
rest.
used to very, very good. That's very nice. When you are tired, you should take a rest. I did that mistake from 2 days that when I am tired, I'm still pushing my level. And when trading, other things we can do, but when trading comes to trading, the decisions go wrong. Never mind. So tell
Yeah,
me something you share about yourself more.
like in the trading.
Yes, definitely in trading. Systems you learn? Would you like to share something on your charts?
I don't think I'd be able to share the screen, but uh, I can obviously like share what I have learned, what system I have learned.
Okay, that's very good. If you are willing to share with all the fellow traders, they will learn something from Preeti today.
Okay, so at first I started learning the basic price action and also smart money concept. So there are like thousands of things that you can learn, but you have to like verify those things by all yourself, and what does not make sense to you, you can just eliminate that and focus on what you understand more. So for me, I started with price action, and I have never like been an indicator trader. I have tried to, but I think that the price structure makes more sense than indicator. So indicators, I'm not a indicator trader or smart money concept I have learned also. I've also learned other few concepts, and whatever makes sense to me, I only focus on that rather than uh, just what is being uh, what is being taught to me. And I'm not like, if someone taught me 100 things, then I will do 100 things. Whatever makes sense to me more, I'll focus on that.
Oh, that's very good. That's very good. That what you are doing is exactly what all other traders should do, including me. Sometimes I also do mistakes. Manual trading is
Yeah.
really very difficult. Luckily, my main pool account is on the EA trading because that is on the via the bridge of MT5. But this Sexo trading platform, I couldn't put it through my EA or through bridge. So I'm trying to find the way out because with the EA, trading is very beautiful, relax and calm because you don't do mistakes here, don't get tired.
I've
Yeah,
also
very
seen like
true.
traders
And
doing
when
indicator trading only, but like whatever makes sense
yeah,
to them, they are still profitable. I think it's a language that you have to understand your own on your own, and you have to make that, what do you call it,
the edge.
understanding with it. Yeah, the edge. I think like market is very different, and people have like different approach to it, and two people having different approach, and they can both be wrong and both be right at the same time too. So it's not like it's 100% this or that, I think.
Very true. Very
Yeah.
true. The reason what you're saying is sometimes one can be right, sometimes the other can be wrong, sometimes both can be right, and sometimes both can be wrong because they are on the same direction in the different places, but they are opening a trade. So nobody can be all the time right. That's what the trading is, and that's where the trading gives the stress and anxiety, and people lose because of the all these issues.
So I'll tell you, like, uh, me and my brother started learning trading, and he is a scalper and I'm not. So when the market is sideways, I used to like make good amount of money, and I could not because I could not find my setup. And in the beginning, I just got so frustrated and got so anxious that how is he able to make money and I'm not? And I just went, and as I told you, I cannot like do quick trades and get out of it, or make small profits. Like, that's something that I think it's good, but it's also bad that you need to get out when you should. So I just once blew all my account trying to do what he does. So that's something that I learned, that uh, people might be good at what they do, but you should be good at what you do rather than trying what
Very
they
true.
do. It's you versus you.
Very, very true. Yeah.
Yeah,
Actually, we as a trader all fighting inside ourselves that what we are doing is wrong or right. We don't understand sometimes.
yeah. So how was your day?
Oh, my day was a bit clumsy, and I have made first of all some good profits in the morning, and then after that I start making some losses, and then I start going into some little bit wrong trades as well because I was a bit tired and my mind was not stable, so I was not looking into my system properly, and I just go into the trades few times, and then it gives me a quite big losses also, but not that big that I have ruined my capital. No, I never do that. When it comes to capital, I become more alert and more careful, and then I stop trading for a while to make myself back to the normal zone. Right now my profit zone is still there, very good, still to over $1,000. I am above my capital, so it's okay for me to a little bit play around here and there, and I do believe the market will definitely eventually come back to its normal senses, and then I will definitely make good money.
Yeah, I hope you do.
No, I definitely will do because it's not the first time that I have earned the money. I have earned in this market many, many, many,
Oh,
many, many times. And my EA is already running. I told you in other like broker, and it's for the main pool, and it's through like a bridge. We can use the EA and the MT5, and the through bridge we can trade with the IBKR. So I'm doing that, and then we are making good money there. But here, the Sexo I cannot. A bit difficult for me. So I'm trying to understand what shall I do, how shall I do. So let's see. I do believe everything will be fine with time.
yeah,
The main important point is that I am still in profit. I'm not in losses. The account is still in
yeah,
profit, and I will. Tonight I'm thinking not to be awake until after the stream. I will just take my dinner. It's actually quite late here, and then definitely I will go to sleep. Otherwise, I always sleep in the morning somewhere 3:30, 4, and then wake up 7 to 3 hours. Maybe that also is making me a bit tired. But it's
yeah,
actually
that
a
actually does.
yeah, it's a long time routine. But now I'm doing trading, so it's different than other things. So I should better take a rest for my tomorrow trading day. That's what I'm thinking
Yeah,
to do.
you should.
Yeah. And I would like to ask if yesterday what I teach somebody have trade according to that in Blonja band in any of the time frames, anyone. and I don't know whether they did trading according to what we teach yesterday, because rather than teaching every day a new strategy is not the point, because if you cannot make money with one, you cannot make money with the 100 strategies, because I've developed myself thousands of them, and sometimes my brain also start like thinking like today I should use that, or tomorrow I should use that. But after like quite a research, so I believe I have come to the place level that I am going to use only this strategy. But still, you see, manually, when the brain is not active or you're very tired, you do mistakes. I'm doing mistakes,
Mm.
even though I have very good systems.
Yeah.
It's normal. We are humans. We can do mistakes
And I
as
think
long as the
sometimes you
mistake
should
doesn't
allow
cost.
yourself to do small mistakes rather than you do one big at like later you do a one big mistake.
Ah, yeah. Oh, that one I never do. I never blew the accounts. That one is my record. I never ever blew the accounts, because when
Wow.
come to again account capital, I become very cautious, and then I take a break sometime, and then I take a rest as well. Means from the account, if I have to grow, I will be very careful. But once the profits are there, I will relax. Okay, never mind. Now profits are there. It's okay. I will play a little bit here and there, and that's what I was doing from last 2 days. But I realized it will not help me, so better I shows the profits in time and exit, because yesterday and day before yesterday multiple times I was having more than $400 profits. Even last night, after stream finish, I was trading until morning, and I have a $400+ profit again, and I was thinking, shall I close it now? Maybe the market will go still down, and then I leave that trade open and with the stop loss, and then go to sleep. And when I wake up in the morning, the stop loss was hit, because market was
Yeah,
quite high and my all the profit gone and loss was there.
yeah, it went up. Right.
So that's what I sometimes do. That's what now I have to be careful that I shouldn't do that, and close the profit when the target has been reached, rather than you know what, when the trend start, you can hold the trade for long trend. But when the trend is in the bit in between sometime and you enter the trade there, always do the scalping, because you never know when the market will shift back. Yes, you will close the loss. That's one thing, but you cannot expect that from there a new trend will very big trend will start. Sometime
Yeah,
happens, but
actually.
yeah, very sometime happen. But when let's say it's a buy trend, in a buy trend, I am taking a trade. All right, the first trade from the starting can ride a very big trend if trend is beautiful. But if trend is not beautiful, then definitely it will go back. But if the trend is running and you are going in between somewhere the buy trades, because you know it's a buy trend, you should only scalp at that levels. Don't hold the trades, because majority of time I see the trade goes back and hit the stop loss or break even.
Yeah,
So better,
actually.
yeah, that's what I am doing from last few days. That better we get out on a time if I enter the trades in the middle rather than holding and hoping, holding and hoping.
I actually took a
That's
long
what my
in
mistake
gold
was. So I
yesterday.
shared. Oh wow, that's very nice. And then,
Yeah, but it went like I booked 1:1 and I booked like the half of it for bigger one and I trailed the stop loss at cost and it hit my cost and then it just flew and it like
went up.
it really
Oh
hurt.
my god,
It
that one
went
they
up.
do multiple times to a lot of.
Sorry?
Yeah, that one lot of traders complain. Lot of traders complain this point that when they open a trade, they have the stop loss. The stop loss is it, and after the market goes straight into the same direction.
As I shared like yesterday also that uh, my trades are like that. That if I stick to my original stop loss, now I can write bigger profits. But uh, I just cannot while I'm in the trade. So yesterday also I just trailed it to cost, and then it hit my cost and not the actual stop loss, and then it went up
Oh, oh my god.
because I mostly catch retracements. So it just
Um,
came and then so I actually tried to calm myself down. At least I got 1:1.
okay, I can't hear you.
Hello.
Yeah, now I can hear you. Sorry.
Okay. So I was just saying
Okay,
that I just made myself understand that okay, we got 1:1. It's better than loss. We got something.
yeah, that's very good. At least you are in profit. That's the main key of
Yeah.
the trading. As long as you are in the profit, you should be very happy.
Yeah.
True or not? So that
True.
my day is in the profit. Something like that. So enough is enough. Like 1 or 2%. Slowly you can cover up, and slowly you can really make good profits.
Yeah.
But always remember one thing: the very main major point is risk management. You see, up to now, why my account is safe? Because of risk management.
Yes.
That's the very big point. A lot of traders don't understand why they blow their account within, the people blow their account within a week, or sometime 10 days, or within a month or 6 months max. Pushingly, they never ever able to trade for years. And consistency is no far away near to any of the traders. Exactly, I will tell you. I My 2 days were very bad. I lost my profits, but not all my profit. I'm still profitable. Means I'm still consistent until and unless my profits are there, and it's slowly. Let's say it goes down also, but slowly it goes up. And again, right now my account right now is, let's say, 8269.56 cents. But if with the time, uh, let's say next 2 3 months, it goes to up to 20 or 30,000, so I'm consistent. That's how it's slowly going up. That's the main point.
Okay.
Nothing else, because there can be losses. You cannot avoid the losses 100%. If somebody say they don't have losses at all, they are 100% on the win stages, I don't believe that. I know that is not possible.
It's not possible.
Yeah, everybody have losses. Everyone uh, now and then hit the loss,
Yeah. But it's up to
no matter
you.
what.
You're taking small losses or the bigger ones. Losses you
Yes,
have to bear, right?
yes, that's what I do. No, there are sometimes losses like which is more than my person desired, because the stop loss. You see, when I'm trying to close the trade, or sometime I'm going to add the stop loss, because I find already where to add the stop loss with the Saxo platform after opening the trade, luckily. And from last 2 days, I was doing that. But today, I noticed that when I am trying to add the stop loss, it's going round and round and round. Delay means it's called delay, and I couldn't even type the stop loss when I will type, when it will be added, and same goes to when I'm closing the trade. Sometimes it is like $120 loss, but when it's closed, it's become like 180 because it was moving round and round. They make it like that, so it's called
Mm.
delay, so that you can have a bigger losses. But how far they can do? End of the day, I was still back to my normal track, and then profits will be there. I already am going to use the same system which I was using for the first 1 month, and the last few days I was already teaching you everyone the new system. So that's where I start doing myself also, using that on my trading, somehow this, somehow that. So that's what make me like scalping. I shouldn't do scalping. It exerts my energy. It's not easy, and somehow when the platform is like this, scalping shouldn't be done, because when you do scalping, the stops are near, and when you're closing and they are making round and round, it goes very far, and you are having then, rather than a small loss, a bigger loss. It's not worth to trade on this type of platform, scalping. That's what I have a thought. So that's what I share with you. That be careful when you're trading. Look at the platform. Look at the execution times. Look at everything, that you don't face all these difficulties, and then you make your money slowly, possibly even 3 to 5% people who make every month say, wow, I'm still up in my account in 1 month 25%. No, maybe
Yeah.
30%. So yeah, so I'm happy. Yeah, 30, sorry, 35%. So I'm still very happy that I'm doing much better than any other trader, because people with their own words say 3 to 5, maximum 10% is wow factor every month. So if I am producing every month 10% also and compounding, so it will be yearly 120 to 150 or 200% minimum I'm talking, which is more than any of the biggest hedge fund or any successful trader is making in this industry. So, and I'm not taking high risk. I'm trading very small, and with this small risk, if I'm making this kind of money, is already very good for me.
Yeah, it is.
It's not about that I'm making this money. I have to use this money. I'm just trying to show to the traders that look at this small account. I was making money and then I lose some money in 2 days, but I'm still slowly will go up, and then you will see this account. At least I will do it online for 1 year. That how I didn't blow my account, how I slowly and steadily make the money, how I grew this account with the low risk trades even in micro lots. So same if you can do, you can definitely make money. That's the point is. Correct?
Yeah. And what's the leverage that you take?
1:4 only.
Wow.
Yeah. Leverage very
That's
small, trade size very small, everything I very trade carefully. If I trade with 1:100 leverage and I'm using a point, let's say 50 even micro lot, the account will be already blown up.
hmm.
Because I am wrong in last 2 days. I'm almost maximum trades are wrong. So all these wrong trades, if the size was bigger, the account was gone. But because the trade size I'm trading small and the leverage also is very less, so it helps me to keep my head cool.
Okay.
So that's very important for every trader to understand. Don't ever go for high leverage trades. That's a very risky. Those trades can really burn you out. So be careful.
Yeah, like 90 days out of 100 you will be saved, but the 10 days will like take you out of the game, right?
Yes,
Because I think
that's
that's what happened with the crypto crash also. Those who
yep,
were highly leveraged, they just got out, they blew their account, lost all their capital.
very true. Because of what you are saying is very true, that they use high leverage, and when they trade with this high leverage and then the account go bust, so what they can
So
do, they
it
cannot do.
it just took that one day to like get them out of the game.
Yes, very true. That's what happens. So you have to be like very careful that you shouldn't blow your accounts no matter what. And how not to blow the account is only one way: leverage small, trade size
Yeah.
small. That's all, only one thing you have to do, nothing special. And that's it, you will see a huge difference.
Noted.
If everybody do that in this way, I can strongly tell that a lot of people will be end up earning money only. And when the traders are trading with the high risk, that's where they do their accounts. Are there any
Yeah,
reason you
actually.
can tell? You tell, you also are trading. Do you think so? Any other reason people can grow their account?
It's always high risk and gambling and not being like slow. People want it all fast. People want to be aggressive all the time and they don't wait. Like
Very
it
true.
takes years to understand the concept that monthly 2, 3, 4% on your capital is good enough than trying to make 100%, 200% on it very quick.
That doesn't happen. But look, if there is a market big movements, like I was in the big movements, So it can really give you good money as well. But when the market moves then in a smaller time frames, then you have to be careful. You shouldn't blow your account. Correct?
Yeah.
That's all the trading is. What I do understand up to now, trade carefully, trade small, use proper leverage, use any one system. And yes, risk management is again the major game player in this game. Rest everything is okay.
As you said, trade carefully. That's what, like, it's very rare. Like, a lot of people will tell you that go risk your capital, risk. There was this one movie, or I don't know, it was a series on Harshad Mehta, and the main dialogue was risk hai to ishq hai. And it's like
Oh,
quite popular in India here with the new
yeah,
traders.
yeah, I understand that. Risk hai to ishq hai. The key point is that when you are taking a risk, it doesn't mean that you have to risk on one trade everything.
Yeah,
रिस्क है तो इश्क है उसका मतलब पता क्या है कि हर ट्रेड पे रिस्क होता है और हर ट्रेड के ऊपर आपका माइंडसेट जो होता है वो ऊपर नीचे जाता है कि क्या मैं लॉस में जाऊंगा क्या मैं प्रॉफिट में जाऊंगा तो दैट्स वेयर दिस वर्ड मे बी ही मेंट टू बी दैट रिस्क है तो इश्क है फॉर दैट पर्पस नॉट फॉर दैट गैम्बलिंग पर्पस दैट ओ मैन यू बेटर गैम्बल एवरीथिंग नो
yeah, but people take it in that way.
या ये भी आपकी बात सही है लोग तो इसी इसी लहजे में लेके चलते हैं ना रिस्क है तो इश्क है लगा दो सब कुछ दाव पे देखी जाएगी
Yeah,
नहीं सब कुछ दाव पे लगाने के बाद पता क्या होता है आप जाके देखें यूट्यूब में कितने लोगों के इंटरव्यूज ले रहे हैं बहुत सारे इंटरव्यूज हैं जो लोग बताते हैं कि किसी ने मतलब करोड़ों में इंडिया में तो एवरेज द सेबी कम विद द टोटल नेटवर्थ हाउ मच पीपल lost in 2025, it was around $35 billion, which is 3.5 लाख करोड़ रुपए का लॉस एक साल के अंदर
wow.
2020
Because a
या तो
lot of people trade like forex to nahi, but Indian market में a lot of people trade, even those who do not have any knowledge rather than following up the news. Like I have met those people that those are not traders, like budget ke din or any event they like sit with their phones and they are buying options, selling options, even with like zero knowledge. I've met those people, and there are a huge number of beginner traders who have traded in Indian markets, like with total gambling purpose.
wow means
Even
they
they do
are
not
really
know like one candlestick or what is like how the graph moves. They know nothing about it, but they have traded.
they definitely need to trade they don't know anything
Yeah,
that's really nice they love trading it means they don't
yeah,
love earning money but they love trading
yeah. There are a lot of people, especially in India. So I think that's why we have more numbers of losing traders because they just come up with zero knowledge. They're just trying out their luck. Like I know a lot of people, a lot of people.
yeah there are a lot of people very true as per to say भी 65 million तो कितना हुआ 1 मिलियन में 10 लाख होते हैं तो
Hmm.
10 मिलियन में हो गए 1 करोड़
1 crore.
ठीक है जी 10 ठीक है जी तो 1 मिलियन में 10 लाख है अगर 10 मिलियन हुए तो 1 करोड़ हुआ तो इंडिया में 6.5 करोड़ लोग ट्रेडिंग कर रहे हैं इट्स अ big number and these are only the people who are trading in Indian markets not in forex markets they don't know about
Yeah,
the forex market.
they don't know anything about forex. Like my friends, um, the people that I have like worked with in content creation also. So they have zero knowledge.
Yeah,
And
very, very.
that's like the worst kind of trading news, budget, and following the tips. The worst kind of experience in trading, I will say.
Sorry, please, can you tell me again?
I will say it's the worst kind of trading experience to trade like with just the news because
Yeah.
it's very much manipulated.
Oh, news is a gambling. 101% gambling. Never trade during the news. I always tell, इस पे एक strategy है, वो क्या है बताता हूँ. न्यूज आई एकदम से, मार्केट या तो बहुत ऊपर भागेगी या नीचे भागेगी या कुछ नहीं करेगी. एग्जाम्पल, तो
Hmm.
जहां पे जाके वो रुक के उसके बाद की कुछ मूवमेंट को देखने के बाद, अब जैसे मतलब समझ लो आपने न्यूज देखी, उसके बाद बहुत बड़ी मूवमेंट आई, बाय ऊपर चलेगी मार्केट, समझ लीजिए
Hmm.
300 400 500 पिप्स. उसके बाद अगर वो मूवमेंट में ना ट्रेंड को नीचे की तरफ कर रही है, तो डेफिनेटली इट विल गिव यू अ लिटिल बिट बाउंस बैक, बिकॉज एकदम इतनी बड़ी मूवमेंट आई है तो कुछ तो रिवर्सल आएगा. तो उस रिवर्सल को
हाँ.
आप कैश आउट कर लें. अगर वो नीचे गई है और वो रिवर्स थोड़ा सा ऊपर को दे रही है, तो ऊपर की तरफ थोड़ा सा कैश आउट कर ले. ये होता है न्यूज के बाद का इफेक्ट, विच यू कैन कैश इट आउट. ड्यूरिंग न्यूज डोंट डू एनीथिंग.
Yeah.
It's called bouncing effect. Like when you throw a ball up in the air, it will go to certain point and then definitely it will drop. Correct.
Yeah.
So same when the news comes, when the market goes very big movement, you can see in the same candle sometime it will drop quite a lot.
It will.
जी. आज का फिर प्रीति जी आप अनाउंस कीजिए किसको आप चूज करेंगे आज विनर. क्योंकि यहाँ पे तो
Okay.
जो दिख रहे हैं स्ट्रीम की चैट में लोग, इनमें से आप किसी एक नाम को चूज करिए और फिर उसको हम अनाउंस करते हैं. 100K इंस्टेंट अकाउंट विन. जी बताएं क्या नाम.
Let's announce the winner. People have very unique usernames. I can't even pronounce it.
Oh, it's okay. I will tell you the names. One is Bodyman HD. The another is Helen underscore ET, and then there's Jacob underscore ET, and then me 67.
67.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
these are.
there's one I was talking about that I can pronounce.
So which one you would
Okay.
like to choose?
Okay. I think it would be Helen E.T.
Okay, that will be very
who
good.
gets. So
All right.
congratulations, Helen.
Congratulations, Helen.
You got 100K instant account.
Oh, that's very, very good. And please, if you have registered in our Discord, uh, then send your email so that we can add the credits to your account, and then you can purchase the account with that credits.
Yes. So today we have only one winner, right?
Yes, today also is a one winner. Because
But
I told people what I teach yesterday strategy. At least come up on the stream. You can join with us. We always allow people to join the live stream if they want to. Share your screen. Tell if you have done some, even in the demo account trades, that what we have taught, it gives you some benefit or it gives you some income or not. If demo account is demo, it's not a real money, but at least you understand that whether it's working for you or not. So let's say we are teaching and they are not practicing, it's not worth. So I say if somebody share, definitely we will give the like account to that persons who have shared their screen, but nobody will come. And then another point was that okay, if we earn the profits in the account of the trading which I'm doing the whole day, if that is profitable, that day also we announce the winners. And the third is if there are 25 online live stream like viewers right now are few, so like 3 and 4 5 altogether. So if there are more, so more than 25, we will give more accounts to more people as well. So these are the conditions only. Let's see if people can keep it up with these conditions. and then definitely we will give more and more accounts to everyone. That's all.
And you guys can also tell us your experience with CFL Prop, and you can share the live streams with other traders. I don't think that you need to do any complicated thing. You just have to learn and you have to uh, do it yourself. That's very easy to participate in a giveaway.
Yeah, it's a giveaway account, and if you trade carefully, it's instant. You
Yeah,
pass the you reach the target and you will immediately get your instant payouts. That's what all the people are getting, the payouts with the CFL. So far you can see the very good point with the CFL is you don't have to ask the payouts. The moment you achieve your target, the money is immediately showing in your dashboard account, and then you yourself click the withdrawal and the money will be processed through our systems, which is fully automated, and API links are connected with our bank to the dashboard. So we don't have to do anything. You don't have to do anything. You just have to click withdrawal and the money will be processed. You don't have to ask us, please give me my money, or why you are not giving me my money, why I'm not getting my money. A lot of people have told that they have got the money in less than a minute when they are using like PayPal or a Wise account, or when we are sending from our Wise to their bank accounts. A lot of people have told that they receive ASAP the money. So it's good.
that's good. And you don't have any limit on withdrawals, right?
No, we don't have any limits on withdrawals.
Mm. Yes, you guys can invite your friends because there's
Oh,
no
sorry,
reason
I
you miss it.
didn't notice that my you see that position here, add to the stage if we see, yeah, sorry, and you can see it sometimes take time to open even uh, this that then it's making a round and round and round and round. It was moving like around, so it was giving me a bit stress at that moment. Luckily, I saw, but now the market has gone down and gone going up, so it's not good. Never mind. I will clear the trade. If I see, mm, actually, it's not a correct trade because it was a stop order, not actually a tradable. And after executing my trade, I never closed this.
Oh,
And then what happened is it got executed, and now you can see while I'm in the stream, I didn't notice that the pending order is there, and it got executed automatically because the market goes down, and now I am in a loss. Okay, let's see what will happen with this trade. I will analyze and I will see that whether I have to continue keeping it or I should close it. So how I can have it, Helen? What you can do it? Do you have a means? Are you with us in the Discord as well? Then send us your email, and you have a sign up TFL dashboard. Then I can add the credits to your account, and then you can immediately, with those credits, go to the instant account and click the buy, and you will get the account. If you know the process, if you have done previously all trading with us, or you did the trading with us, correct? Okay, that's very good. So in the Discord, you can tell your YouTube username is helen.et, and you have got the 100K account. That's all. Is that correct, Preeti?
yes.
You can hear me, Preeti?
Yes, yes, I can hear you.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay, that's very
Am
good.
I not audible?
Okay, now the other people are. Yeah, yeah, I can hear you too. The other people are writing now 100K. My friend already the lucky winner is already announced today. So please come tomorrow and mention 100K and your Discord name. Then definitely one of you will be again selected who will be the winner. So congratulations, Helen. I do think so that today's stream we will end up here now, and let's all have a good day.
Yes, congratulations, Alan.
Congratulations, Helen, again. Thank you very much. Send us the message in the Discord and you will get the account. Bye bye for today. Thank you very much.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye.